gentlemen, welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a killer 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Great car, guys. Love the color combination. This is factory. It's the original Lemans blue metallic with the blue vinyl interior in it. And I mean a killer car, guys. This is no slap together backyard build Camaro. This car's been together a little bit, and it's been exceptionally well maintained, and it runs and drives excellent. Good solid straight body, slick paint. I mean, it is turnkey ready to go. Again, beautiful car, factory color combination, Muncie 4-speed, tacking gauges. And when it goes down the road, you know how most of these Camaros just shimmy, shake, and rattle. This thing is nice and tight. Not a whole lot. There's a couple things you can nitpick. The resto's about 10 years old, so there's a couple little things you can kind of pick at it. That's just a little dirt that's on there. Just a couple little stone pecks I've seen on it, but not much to really. I mean, this car's been it's got 10,000 miles on the resto, so it's, you know, well sorted. Somebody's really kept good care of this car. It's got the correct SS hood. You can see the dash is nice. Dual chrome mirrors. This stainless and stuff is original, and it's very nice. You can see how nice the hat rack is back there. I mean, this car is very nicely done. Front and rear spoilers. These are they use those. They use some original stuff on the car. You can see that, so you can pick those, but they're original. Great stance. ZR rated Nitto rubber all the way around it. Those are 17-inch billet Boyd JYD wheels. The car has been completely apart when they restored it. They put new subframe bushings in it. Something they did really cool, they put a power rack and pinion steering unit in it. So the car drives good, and I like it because it has some feedback when you steer it. I'm not a big fan of these cars with power steering when they've got a 4-speed. I feel like they're all over the road. This one's not like that because of the rack. Power front disc brakes. Again, slick paint. Not a matching numbers car. It's got a GM 010 4-bolt main block in it, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Weiand aluminum intake. It does have the GM double hump high performance heads on it. Again, power rack and pinion steering, power front disc brakes, Muncie 4-speed. It has a Pertronix HEI distributor in it. Nice set of ceramic headers. Aluminum radiator with a shroud. Detailed up really nice underneath the hood. Just a great car. Floors are nice and clean. Love it. Glass is nice on the car. Again, this stuff's original. It's nice. Original door handles, you can pick at those, but again, they're original. So there's a couple little things if you want to, do to the car, but man, the bones are good. It's a great car. Factory bucket seats with the center console. Headliner looks great. Love the teak sports steering wheel in it. 10,762. That's the miles on the resto. You can see even the clock works. Tach, gauges. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM radio. sound system in it. Correct Muncie shifter in there. Padded dash. It's got a stainless dual exhaust system in it. It is a 10-bolt 373 limited slip rear axle. It's got the multi-leaf rear suspension with a sway bar. I don't know what that is, a little drip of rain or something. See a little touch-up mark there. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Nice car, really good car. Nice and tight. You know, sometimes these Camaro stuff doesn't open and close nice. This one does, nice and tight. Clean underneath. Again, the floors are nice. New fuel tank. Big fan of this car. I think somebody's getting a great car right here. We're getting a lot of questions right now about dust, sorry. Do we restore cars? No, guys. We buy them just like we see them and we sell them. There's no money in restoring these things. It costs so much to do it. That's why people are calling us, because they can't get cars restored or they're having trouble. These seats have been all repadded, refoamed. Really nice job on that. And it costs, most of these people have double in these things. Yeah, nice little cam. Great car. Nice little lobe. Tach works, clock works, speedo works. Again, fit and finish is really nice. Oh, we might have a light out. Yeah, check it. Radio works, blower motor works. You can see the car holds good oil pressure. All the gauges work. Car shifts out really good. Great car. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us.